The United States, Israel, and the Palestinian militant group Hamas have reportedly reached a tentative agreement to free dozens of women and children held hostage in Gaza in exchange for a 5-day pause in fighting. The deal was put together among Israel, the US, and Hamas during a round of talks in Doha and was led by Qatari mediators, the Washington Post reported. It would ensure the release of 50 or more hostages and a 5-day pause in the ongoing fighting. As part of a 6-page agreement, hostages would be released in small batches every 24 hours in exchange for a pause in the ongoing ground operation of the Israeli forces against Hamas in Gaza. The pause, which is also expected to bring in significant humanitarian aid, would be monitored by aerial surveillance. However, a White House spokesperson dismissed reports of Israel and Hamas agreeing to a temporary ceasefire deal. No deal yet, but we continue to work hard to get a deal. Adrienne Watson, spokesperson for the White House's National Security Council, said in a statement. A second official also confirmed no deal had been reached. According to the newspaper, Arab and other diplomats said that the outline of the deal was put together during weeks of talks in Doha, capital of Qatar. Israel, US, and Hamas, indirectly represented by Qatari mediators, were part of the talks. However, it was not clear till now that Israel would agree to a temporary pause in strikes on Gaza, which have claimed more than 11,000 Palestinian lives. The release of hostages could begin within the next several days, according to people familiar with the agreement. The development comes not so long after Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu denied passing up on a serious deal for the release of 50 hostages. He said there was no deal on the table and that the release of the hostages is a priority. We want to get back all the hostages. We are doing the utmost to bring back the best possible, including in stages, and we are united on this, Netanyahu said. Israel vowed to destroy Hamas after the group's October 7 rampage into Israel killed 1,200 people and took 240 hostages. Meanwhile, authorities in the Hamas-ruled Gaza Strip said that 12,300 have died since the latest conflict began.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.